After 40 years, a lot of the wiring connections have broken loose or bulbs have burned out. So basically rewiring the house. Dollhouses are really kind of specific. They have a lot of really kind of cool stuff. Special tapes, special nails. There's companies out there that make the specific wires, and the lighting fixtures are just amazing. This is different from other stuff I've wired. I think before I came in, I spent an entire weekend watching videos of how to wire dollhouses. And as a kid, I was doing miniatures. Started out in the Navy as a nuclear power operator, and then ended up at Northern on their boiler plants. My mother and dad weren't afraid to tackle anything. You know, my mother was an artist, and my dad was an electrician, so he used to drag me along. You know, I was the test. Step-grandfather was one of the shipwrights up here in Big Bay, so he could make wood sing. And so I was like, okay, there's a little hubris in there to go on and do it. I have an old general store display case, must be about 8 feet long, and it's full of miniatures that I've built, mostly plastic models. I've done work for the MarquetteMuseum. That was always kind of a thing, is like get into museums or museum restorations. There's a group up here called Upper Peninsula Scale Modelers. Mostly we just sit around, drink coffee, and tell stories. People bring in the stuff that they've built. It's more of a community than this kind of thing.